Hi, this is Tanzia. Today I want to talk about Pure Zero Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. As you can see, the name itself, Pure Zero and Clean Beauty, which means that this has no parabens, sulfates, phthalates, phosphate, or gluten. Great for, clean beauty, clean products. This particular one has coconut oil and coconut milk in it, so it's going to add a lot of hydration to your hair. For anyone who has damaged hair or lacks moisture in their hair, this is great. This has vitamin E, this has natural amino acids and clean proteins. So it's also going to help you to protect your hair from the harsh environmental and stress factors. So give it a try and see how you like it. I really enjoy using these. I've been using these for many months and I recommend it a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.